The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, Cooke County in north-central Texas, southwestern Grayson County in north-central Texas, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Kiowa, or 9 miles southeast of Gainesville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include McKinney, Frisco, Denton, The Colony, Corinth, Gainesville, Lake Dallas, Sanger, Whitesboro, Little Elm, Prosper, Salina, Crum, Pilot Point, Shady Shores, Aubrey, Krugerville, Collinsville, Crossroads, and Lindsay. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 503. Interstate 35W between mile markers 81 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 459 and 466. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.